What's up, team? This is Boots from Cyborg Team. Today I got the Magegee MK Box. This is a wired keyboard, so no wireless connectivity here. This is going to work for PC or Mac. So it's a nice small box. What did I say? 68 keys, definitely. Has LED backlit, so it's going to be a single color. I'm trying to find if there's any other information on here. Doesn't look like all right, nothing that I didn't say. All right, so well, that's telling me RGB. Alrighty, well, let's check it out. I got this on Amazon. It's about $30 shipped. And when you open up the box, you got some information right there. You got a spare keycap, and it's a blank red keycap and a keycap puller. Pretty standard USB-C to USB-A cable. And you got your keyboard itself wrapped in some nice foam here. The keyboard, it has a little bit of weight, nothing too crazy. As you see, black and gray theme going on here. Got your dedicated arrow keys, and these are going to be ABS plastic keys. On the back, we got some kick-up feet, 2 different levels. That's good. You know I like my levels. Nothing too special. And let's check that. I'm not getting too much flex in there. So already so far pretty good. And it has that detachable cable. It's on the top left mounted. And that's awesome. So we can plug in our custom keyboard cable here. As you can see, it's lighting up a little bit blue there. So I don't think this is RGB like the box says. Okay, that's as bright as it gets. And these are going to be a speed for your effect. Let's see what different effects that we have. Pretty standard stuff here. Nothing too crazy. Before we go and type, I want to see what type of switches we have, because it doesn't say that anywhere in the information. Let's pop out the letter B here. And I do have the red switches, and let's see what brand we got. If you can see it there, that's the Jixian brand. I've seen that once or twice before. These are not hot swappable. Get a quick typing test and see what we got. So not a bad typing experience there, not too bad at all. Pretty standard issue device here, $30 shipped, not too bad. Kick-up feet in the back, rubber feet in the back to keep it stabilized. And just for fun, let's pop on this blank key here. There you go, if you like that look. But quick impressions, pretty good. Got several different lighting modes here. You know, you can go ahead and play with those. But it's definitely not RGB, not the version that I have. The link that I'll put in the description will be for this one that I have here, from the link that I purchased from. So if you have any other questions, hit me up in the comments. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit all that stuff. That's going to be it. I'm Boots with Cyborg Team, and I'm out. Peace.